Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we will see the virus replication, different steps in the virus replication. Virus replication, genome of RNA or DNA viruses exist in a variety of sizes, from small molecule of single stranded RNA to large molecule of double stranded DNA, which may be circular or linear in the form. Whatever their physical nature, viral RNA or DNA must be replicated efficiently within an infected cell to propagate. There are 6 steps in the replicative cycle of viruses. Here you can see attachment, adsorption, first step, then penetration, which penetrate the virus into the cell, uncoating of the virus take place after that, then biosynthesis, like DNA or RNA synthesis as well as protein synthesis. After that, assembly of different components take place to form a virus, and after that release into external environment. First step is attachment or adsorption. Virus attachment consists of specific binding of viral attachment protein to the cellular receptor or to our cellular receptor. Receptor molecules may be protein, usually glycoprotein, or sugar residue present on the glycoprotein or glycolipids. Some complex viruses have more than one receptor binding proteins on their surface. Specific receptor binding can be sidestepped by antibody coated viruses binding to Fc receptor on the monocyte or macrophage, resulting in the virus uptake. Receptors on the cell surface determine the tropism, mean some kind of interaction toward the cell, and you can say also attachment. Most of the viruses attachment is usually reversible process. For example, or further explanation, ideast, no entry of the virus may be detached, which is called elution, mean removal of the virus from the cell surface, which is bind. Penetration. Unlike the attachment, virus penetration is required energy, mean energy dependent process. Ideast cell must be metabolically active to allow the penetration. There are 3 mechanisms which are involved in the penetration. First of all, translocation. Translocation is take place of virus into the cell by using the translocators or surface proteins, you can say the some kind of receptors. It is also called as receptor mediated penetration of virus into the cell. In this process, translocation of entire virion across the cell membrane, mean past the cell membrane. Other process is endocytosis. Endocytosis of the virus into intracellular vacuole, eventually into cytoplasm, mean it is a process in which vacuole formation take place. After that, virus enter into the cell by using the host cell membrane part, which is also called as endosome, mean form the endosome, then enter into cell. Other process is fusion. Fusion is take place in the enveloped viruses, not non-enveloped viruses. A fusion of viral enveloped with the cell membrane, it require fusion protein of virus which is present on the virus surface, and after that it enter into the cell after fusing, like influenza virus which having fusion protein on their surface which is known as hemagglutinin protein or glycoprotein. Uncoating of virus or virion. After penetration, the capsid is removed and genome is exposed, usually as nucleoprotein complex. This might be relatively simple, as example like picornaviruses having 23 amino acid protein covalently attached to 5' end of RNA. Genome are highly complex, like retroviruses having a highly ordered nucleoprotein complex containing diploid RNA genome, which is positive sense, plus reverse transcriptase enzyme which convert the viral RNA into DNA, which is known as parvovirus. Then this DNA is moved into the host nucleus. After that it integrate with the host DNA. Viruses replicating in cytoplasm, genome is simply released into the cell, mean that viruses which replicate only into the cytoplasm, the genome is released into the cytoplasm, and after that biosynthesis take place, mean protein as well as genetic material synthesis take place. Viruses replicating in nucleus, genome associated with nucleoprotein is transported through the nuclear membrane. At nuclear pores, the capsid is stripped off and genome is passed into the nucleus. Biosynthesis of genome or genome replication. Replication depend on the nature of genome. Viruses can be classified into 7 groups, like double-stranded DNA viruses include adenoviruses, herpes viruses. Positive sense single-stranded RNA viruses include parvoviruses. Double-stranded DNA viruses include reoviruses, birnaviruses. Positive sense single-stranded RNA viruses include picornaviruses, togaviruses. Negative sense single-stranded RNA viruses include orthomexoviruses, rhabdoviruses. Positive sense single-stranded RNA viruses with DNA intermediate in life cycle, like retroviruses, mean having positive sense single-stranded RNA virus, but it convert into back DNA and then DNA integrate into host cell DNA, and this process is called as intermediate life cycle, RNA with DNA intermediate life cycle, which is take place in retroviruses. Double-stranded DNA with RNA intermediate mean having double-stranded DNA, but it transcribed into cytoplasm into RNA, and after that it is translated. Example is HEPA DNA viruses. Gene expression. Control of virus replication is achieved by tight regulation of gene expression, means strictly regulated the gene expression by a different enzyme, which is known as tight regulation of gene expression. The method used depend on the nature of the virus, gene or replication strategy. Example, Gracia segmented genome are usually transcribed to produce monocystonic mRNA, which is produce only single type of protein. Functionally, you can say the functionally single type of protein which is able to produce various proteins in the different amount rather than a constant ratio. Non-segmented genomes tend to produce polycystonic mRNA translated to form polyproteins, mean functionally different proteins produced by the or processed by the proteolytic cleavage to form mature gene product. To utilize the cell machinery, viral mRNA must contain control signal which are recognized by the cell, like ribosome binding site, splice signal, polyadenylation signal, other one. Similarly, some DNA viruses like Pavlova viruses encode the protein that bind to origin of replication and stimulate the cellular DNA polymerase to replicate the viral genome. Means some viruses like Pavlova viruses encode their protein that regulate the cellular DNA polymerase to replicate the viral genome. Intermediate viruses like adenoviruses encode their own DNA polymerase but still depend on the cellular factor for other activities like replication. Complex viruses, herpes viruses, encode a large number of protein involved in the DNA synthesis and are largely independent of the cellular machinery. Assembly, gathering of all components needed for the mature virion formation. During this basic structure, virus is formed. Site of assembly, there are different sites of assembly like cytoplasm. Some viruses are assembled in cytoplasm, other viruses are assembled in nucleus, and also some viruses are assembled on inner surface of the cell membrane like retroviruses. The viruses assembled in the nucleus like parvoviruses, adenoviruses. The viruses assembled in the cytoplasm are poxviruses, reoviruses. Release, lytic viruses, mostly non-enveloped viruses, mean break the cell and then release. Release is the simple, cell break, open, virus is released. Simple cell break take place. Enveloped viruses are acquire the lipid membrane as the viruses buds out, as the virus buds out through the cell membrane. Virion enveloped protein are picked up during this process as the virus is extruded out. Budding may or may not kill the cell, but is controlled by a virus. The physical interaction of the capsid protein on the inner surface of the cell membrane forces the particles out through the membrane, mean not kill the virus, and forces the virus to move outside to extruded out, budding out. Maturation, The stage of life cycle in which virus become infectious is known as maturation, usually involve the structural changes in the particle resulting in specific cleavage of capsid proteins to form the mature product, frequently lead to conformational changes in the capsid or condensation of nucleoproteins with the genome. For some viruses, assembly and maturation is take place together, mean inseparable. For other viruses, maturation may occur after the virus left the cell. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this lecture is helpful for you. Take care. Bye.